The Khandesh College Education Society, Jalgaon, Maharashtra State, India, was established in the year 1944 with a vision to impart education to the masses with a motto Jnana Prasaro Vratam, which means commitment to spread knowledge unto the last. It is located in the North Maharashtra region, 400 kilometers northeast of Mumbai. As the leading educational institution in the region, it combines a responsibility for the advancement and dissemination of knowledge. With its myriad educational institution, the society prepares students from diverse backgrounds for productive careers by providing them with a student-centered, practically focused quality learning experience in a scholarly environment. Institutions run by KCE Society offer an extensive range of academic programs in the languages, liberal arts, mental, moral, and human, as well as natural sciences, education, business administration and management, engineering and computer science. It has two sprawling campuses with thousands of square feet of educational infrastructures and combined student strength over 11,000. After 6 decades of service and sustained efforts in the field of education, it has acquired academic maturity and research ambience. It is acclaimed as a profound academic movement with a firm belief that knowledge is power. And hence in the acronym KCES, K stands for knowledge, C stands for character, E stands for ethos, and S stands for success. Mulji Jeta College, which was established in 1945, is the first offspring of KCE Society. The college has been accredited A grade by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council, Bangalore. MJ College, as it is popularly known, is one amongst the 47 colleges selected by the University Grants Commission, New Delhi, from 15,000 odd colleges in the country for the honor of College with Potential for Excellence. It is the premier academic institution with teaching and research facilities in different disciplines. Sophisticated and well-equipped research facilities with latest instruments, over 250 Pentium 4 machines in 8 independent laboratories with 2 Mbps broadband internet connectivity, a rich library with over 100,000 books and more than 160 international national periodicals, magazines and journals, a well-equipped sport complex, gymnasium and a spacious playground, accommodation facilities and so on constitute a strong infrastructure on par with an international educational institution. The college has a strong alumni delivering excellence in all the fields of life. Her Highness Honorable President of India, Mrs. Pratibha Patil, being the brightest star in the galaxy. Khandesh College Education Society anticipated the eminent dominance of management and research and hence established the Institute of Management and Research in 1986, which has grown into a dynamic, vibrant and growth-oriented institution. It has been recognized by All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi, and is affiliated to the North Maharashtra University. The institute has a state-of-art academic infrastructure and offers an extensive range of postgraduate programs and diploma courses with advanced curricula in business administration and management, computer application and management, export-import management, software technology management and so on. The institute emphasizes quantitative techniques, management information system and intensive use of cross-cultural perspective on management. College of Engineering and Information Technology was established in the year 2001. It is recognized by All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi, and is affiliated to the North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon. It is a vigorous and dynamic institution with brilliant future. IT-oriented laboratories and workshops foster research and innovation. The conducive environment of the institute promotes the spirit of integrity, excellence, and professionalism. Watershed Surveillance and Research Institute, Jalasri, Jalgaon, India, was established in 2006 to address an urgent need of continuous, systematic surveillance of the watersheds in Jalgaon district and to assess the impact of divergent changes in watershed on poverty, literacy, public health, environmental and ecological balance, and such other important aspects. Jalasri is a part of Digital Governance Project sponsored by the National Science Foundation, USA, under the scholarly guidance of Dr. G.P. Patil, Professor of Mathematical Statistics, Penn State University, USA, and other scholars like Wayne Myers, Dr. Sharad Joshi, and Rainer Brugmann. Jalasri is developing innovative statistical and mathematical models using modern geoinformatic tools and the software infrastructure for spatial and spatio-temporal hotspot detection. Prioritization, early warning and sustainable management. It is collaborating with various institutions like National Remote Sensing Agency, Hyderabad, Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata, the Forest Department of Andhra Pradesh, and ICRISAT on various levels. Jalasri proposes to float a certain unique certificate and diploma courses on issues related to watersheds, geoinformatics, remote sensing, and all other important aspects. The interdisciplinary approach, synergistic and collaborative studies are leading this institute to be reckoned as think tank for issues related to watersheds. Jalasri, a three-legged synergy of local wisdom, academia, and government administration. A foresight. The Khandesh College Education Society is working towards achieving autonomy and degree conferring status. It seeks to extend its research base and to strengthen its IT-oriented academic environment. It is enthusiastic and ambitious about establishing international linkages and ready to collaborate in research on issues of mutual interest.